Okay, so I have put this into recording and we'll start the class. Okay, entire screen. Yeah, so this is where we need to start. So you have already studied um, measures of central tendency, right? So in which you already have done mean, median, and mode, right? So mean, median, mode. So basically, they are called measures of central tendency because they lie almost around center of the distribution. Okay, so measures of central tendency cannot measure. You can say how the data is scattered. Okay, the spread out of the data. So that's why we need to study measures of dispersion. And in measures of dispersion, we study what? Do you remember? So measures of dispersion, one is, so there are three measures of dispersion we are going to study. One is range, then mean deviation, and third one is standard deviation. Okay, so range is basically the difference between maximum and minimum. Observation. Suppose, for example, in your class, the highest marks in mathematics may be 75, and the lowest mark may be 5 marks. So range will be the difference between 75 and 5, means 70. Okay. And range, we do not consider it as a good measure of dispersion because suppose highest mark 75, lowest mark 5. So in case any change in the data in between, so range will not be affected. So it doesn't give a clear idea, a clear picture regarding the distribution. So that's why it's not a very good measures of dispersion. Okay, so next come mean deviation, which we are going to study today. Mean deviation, yeah. As the name suggests, deviation from mean. Okay, so deviation from mean means mean of the deviation. Yeah, so one thing is that, and also mean deviation is basically mean of the deviations. Okay, and whenever we say deviations, the deviations may be mean and maybe from median. So we will be covering deviations from mean and deviations from median. So mean deviation, this is what we are going to study today. So mean deviation for ungrouped data, mean deviation for group data, and in both the cases, mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Okay, and for group data, we will be covering discrete series where xi and fi means you are given the observations and corresponding frequencies. And in continuous series, you will be given the class interval and frequencies. Okay, so that is what we are going to cover today. So whenever you say ungrouped data, so in ungrouped data, we can take the data is, not grouped, obviously. So you are given, like, for example, like this. So 38, 70, 48, 40, like this. So no frequency. So it's ungrouped data, raw data, you can say. And in that case, so whenever you have to take mean deviation about mean, so you can get first mean of the data. Mean is basically you write your sigma xi divided by number of observations, means sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Okay, so once you get this xi, so mean deviation about mean. Okay, so deviation from mean, you have some data here xi, maybe like x1, x2, x3, and so on. And mean for this particular distribution we have So we can get deviation from mean, means x. Okay, means x1 minus x bar. Okay, x2 minus x bar, like this. But here, just to avoid negative sign, because suppose you are finding x1 minus mean, x2 minus mean, and so on. So mean may be greater than some of the observations, mean may be less than some of the observations. Okay, now in the end, when we add, it may happen like we may get negative deviations, or we may get some may be negative or some may be zero also. So again, it will not give us clear picture. So what we do here, we usually for mean deviation, we take absolute value. Okay, like this. Now, mean deviation about mean, we denote like this. So, n stands for total number of observations. Now, here you see summation of the deviations. So, in fact, we are getting sum of all the deviations. Here, deviations means we are taking the absolute value. Means we are avoiding negative sign here. Divided by total number of observations. Okay. Similarly, whenever you have to get mean deviation about median. So here M stands for median. Now deviations from median, again we are taking absolute value here. Okay, so sum of the deviations from median divided by number of observations. Okay, and in first case, we are discussing about on-group data. So mean will be calculated using on-group data, and how to find median of on-group data. So that also we'll discuss. Okay, before we go to the next two cases, let me take these questions. It is 15.1 exercise, NCRT. Question number 2, find mean deviation about mean. Okay, so find mean deviation about mean. Question number 1 and 2. About mean. Okay. Now here, first thing we have to find mean of the deviation. So let us write it. So it is up to you. If you want to arrange, it is fine. Otherwise, not mandatory. If you are getting mean. Okay. So let me write here xi. Okay. Then, so we can start. So can we arrange it? But for mean, it's not mandatory to arrange. We can just take like this also. But if we just want to be systematic, we may arrange it. But for median, you have to arrange the data. Okay, so that 38, 40, then 42, then 44, 46, 48, then 50, we don't have 50. Okay, 54, 55, 54, 55, then, okay, 63, okay, 54, 55, 44 is also there, 63, 70. Anything we missed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have completed. So first step, we have to get mean. Okay, so now take the sum. Sigma xi. Okay, so taking the sum. Okay. Is it 500? Let's check it.
Yes, ma'am, it's 500.
Okay. So then we have number of observations 10. Okay. So here mean equal to x bar, that's mean, that is sigma xi divided by number of observations, means 500 divided by 10. So we are getting 50 here. Okay, so next one is we have to get deviation from mean. Okay, so I'm writing here xi minus x bar. Take the absolute value. We are avoiding negative sign here. 38 minus 50 minus 12. So mod minus 12 is 12. 40 minus 50 mod, that is 10. 42 minus 50 minus 8 mod minus 8 is 8. Then 44, this thing, it will be 6. 46 minus this, it will be 4. We are taking mod of this, so that's why we will be getting all positive. 2, then here 4, 5, then 13, then 20. Okay, so then we need, so these are the deviations from mean. Okay, then xi minus x bar. So take the sum here. Is it 79? Just check it.
Yes, ma'am, it's 17.
Okay. Just let me recheck it. Okay, this is 10, right? No, not 79.
51,
Hmm.
64.
Hmm.
It's 6, 7, 84, ma'am.
84, yeah. Okay, hopefully 84 is correct, huh? 84. Okay, so now here you have to get mean deviation. Mean deviation about mean, that is equal to summation of the deviations divided by number of observations. So you are getting 84 divided by 10. That is equal to 8.4. This is the answer. Okay, got it? So step 1, you have to get mean. And step 2, you have to calculate all the deviations. Then you take average of the deviations. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. How to get this from median? So we have, so then you have to calculate median first. Question number 3. Find mean deviation about the median for the data in exercises 3 and 4, but I have taken one question. Yeah, so to get median, you have to arrange the data either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay? M stands for median. So we have to calculate median first. So are we given the data is not arranged, we have to arrange it. So lowest one is we can arrange the data in ascending order. So 10. I think 10 is the lowest.
Yes.
Okay, 10, 11, 11 twice. Here 11, here also 11. Okay, then 12. Once. Okay, 13. Here 13.
Twice.
Or twice. Yeah, 13, 13. Then do we have 14? Yes, we have 14. And then we have 14 once, 15 we have? No.
16 twice.
Twice. 16, 16.
And then 17 twice.
17 also twice. 17 and 17. Then we have 18. Okay, okay. I think that's it. 18
Yeah.
So calculate how many. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have taken all the data. Okay, so now we have, so we want median. So how to take median here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of observations. Number of observations we have
Yes.
12. Okay, so here
Two.
n equal to 12.
12.
That is even. Okay, so now you have to take the, how to calculate median. Median is, see, if you have 12, so then see, we take median means middlemost observations we have to calculate. Okay, so let me show you. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which one is middlemost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So middlemost observations will be this. Okay, 6th and 7th, right? So median should be 6th observation plus 7th observation, means n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2, like this. So we are taking the average of these two middlemost observations. Okay, so if n is odd, then we would have taken n plus 1 by 2th observations. Do you remember this? You might have done in earlier classes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way. So here 6th observations and 6th observation and 7th observation. Let's check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
13 and 14.
Yeah, 13 and 14. Okay, so you are getting 13 plus 14 divided by 2. So 27 by
2.
2 means 13.5. Okay, so median equal to 13.5. Okay, so now xi minus m, 10 minus 13.5. It will be 3.5. Okay, 11 minus 13.5, 2.5. Again 2.5. Then here 12 minus this 1.5. We are taking mod, so all positive. 13 minus 13.5 minus 0.5. So you are taking mod, and here also 0.5. 14 minus this is also 0.5. 16 minus 13.5. 2.5. Okay, this is check my calculation. 17 minus 13.5. 3.5.
Yes.
3.5. 18 minus 13.5. 4.5.
Yes.
Done. Now we need this xi minus m, summation of this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 60. Carry 6. Are you getting 28? Just check. Yeah, so 28.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so for this question, what will be mean deviation? So mean deviation about median, that is xi minus m, summation of the deviations divided by number of observations. So you have 28 and number of observations 12. Okay, so 28 by 12. You can calculate it, no? 2, 4, 40, 3, 3, 40, just 4, like this. Just check it. Will we get like this?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so xi minus m. So, okay, 2.33 like this. Okay. Next, coming to grouped frequency distribution. We have to take like this, right? All the observations, 12 observations. Yeah. Now here, discrete frequency distribution where you will be given xi and fi. Okay. Now here, mean deviation about mean. The formula almost same except we have to write sigma fi because here frequency will be given. Okay, n means total number of observations and n is always like sum of the frequencies. Okay, now here to get mean, what you have to do? You are given xi, fi means data and corresponding frequencies. You have to make a column, this. Okay, then your mean would be sigma fi xi divided by n, means you may write like this. Okay, so in case of median, how to find it? We have to get cumulative frequencies. Okay, then depending on it is odd or even. Okay, so we can get it, I'll tell you. Okay, so next question is find mean deviation about mean for the data in exercises 5 and 6. I have taken question number 5. Okay, so let me take your xi, fi. Okay, so 5, frequency 7, here 10, frequency 4, 15, frequency 6, 20, frequency 3, 25, frequency 5. We have to get mean first. So for this fi xi, 5 into 7, 35. Here it is 40. Then here it is 90. Here it is 60. Then 75. Oh, 25, na? The 125. Okay. So now for mean, we need summation of these columns, fi xi, and also we need n means sigma fi. Okay, so okay, sigma fi is what? 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20, 25. Let's check it.
Ma'am, FIXI is 1. Arey nahi. Oh shit, what I calculate. Ma'am, sigma FIXI is
350?
350.
Yeah. So now mean, okay, mean is fi xi divided by sigma fi. Okay, so this is correct. 3 plus 5, 8, plus 6, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7, 25. So 350 by 25. You can get here 14.
14. Yes.
Yeah. Then you need xi minus this thing. Xi minus x bar. Then you need fi into xi minus x bar. Okay. So xi minus x bar. Xi is this column. X bar is 14. 5 minus 14 minus 9. We are taking mod here. 9. 10 minus 14. Absolute value, that is 4. Then here 1. Here 6. Here 11. Okay. Got it? 9, 4. Then, yeah. So 1, 6, 11. Fi xi minus x bar. Fi is this column. So 7 into 9, 63. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 1, 6. 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 11, 55. So we need summation of this column. Fi xi minus x bar. Just a moment.
Ma'am, it's coming 218.
218.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 218. I'm trusting you. Okay. So now,
हम एक सेकंड रीचेक करने दो.
हाँ. Just recheck.
Yes. It's correct.
I am getting 158.
No, ma'am, it's 218.
Okay. See, 3 plus 6, 9. Plus 9 plus 6, 15.
15.
15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 8. Then 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15.
Ma'am, wasn't it 16? 55?
No, I see you can calculate again. No.
Oh, मैम मैंने वो 6 और जोड़ दिया.
Okay, so it's correct now, 158?
हाँ, 15.
Okay, so now we have mean deviation about mean. That is, again, we can take fi into xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi. Okay, so that is equal to 158 divided by 25. It will be coming 6 point something. Let's check how much you are getting. Let's check. Are you getting this?
No, 1 second. 6.32.
Okay, done. Okay, so now, yeah, if you have mean deviation about median, okay, discrete series. Okay, question number 7. Okay, we have xi, we have fi. We have 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Okay, this is the data given to us. we have to get median, so we need cumulative frequency. Here cumulative frequency start with 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 18, 20, 26. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now here you have to get median first. I have one more question I have written, where it is gone. 9th question. Okay, in between lost. Anyway, no issue. We can take it. Okay, so now here n equal to 26. So you can take n by 2. Okay, n by 2 means 13th observation we need to take, right? So 13th observation, even if you take average, it will not be creating any problem. So because, yeah, 13th observation means it will be coming after 8th. Okay, so after 8th.
14. No.
So this one, even if you take 13th and 14th, right? So still you will not, I mean, will not have any problem, because after 8th you are getting, we can't go beyond 14th, right? So after this, it is only this 14th, cumulative frequency 14th. So this one we have to take, right? So 7 is the median. So median is median M, that is equal to 7. Okay. The next step is we have to get xi minus m. Then we need fi into xi minus m. Okay, so 5 minus 7 mod of this, you will get 2 here. Then here it is 0. Here 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, so 8 into 2, fi into this, these two columns you see, 16, 0, 4, 6, 10, 48. Okay, done. Okay, 20. Then you are getting, yeah, I think we are taking rightly. 48 plus 10, 58, 68, 68 plus 16, 84.
Yes, 84.
Okay, this. Now you can take median. Yeah, so mean deviation about median is okay. So you're going 84 by 26. 84 by 26. What will be the ratio? 3 point something. Just tell me. 26 3 is 78.
It's 3.23.
Yes, 2 3. Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so 78, 60, 52. Yeah. 50. Okay, so like this. So second part, I think you can do. You are given like
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Cumulative frequency, this you can do. So we can. Okay, so mean deviation about median. I think I have taken. Just one moment. I can take another. 9th question I was taking. Find mean deviation about mean for the data. Question number 9 to 10. Okay. This question number 9. Okay, so here, whenever you are given class interval and frequency, this is basically continuous series. Okay, going back. Yeah, so continuous frequency distribution is what? A continuous frequency distribution is a series in which the data are classified into different class intervals without gaps, along with their respective frequencies. Okay, so you can recall the process of finding mean and median for continuous frequency distribution and apply the same for putting the values of mean and median in calculating the mean deviation. So basically mean deviation from mean, so it means you need mean there. Okay, and whichever, depending upon the distribution, whether it is, ungrouped or discrete series or continuous series, you have to apply mean accordingly. Similar situation will be for median also. Like for example, whenever you take mean deviation about mean, we are using this formula, right? Same as the discrete series. But to get mean, we have to see, we can use shortcut method or assumed mean method or step deviation depending upon our choice. Okay, if the calculation is very lengthy, step deviation method will work for us, right? Similarly, whenever you are getting median, again, we are writing m here. Now, median, how to calculate? L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L stands for lower limit of the median class, n total number of observations, Cf cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, F frequency of the median class, H size of the median class. Okay, the way we have done, in earlier classes. Okay, so now let's go for this. I'll tell you. Okay, find mean deviation about the mean for this data. So the data is quite lengthy, like 0 to 100, something like this. So let me take here class interval, frequencies. So 0 to 100, frequency 4, 100 to 200, 8, 200 to 300. This is 9, 300 to 400. That is 10, 400 to 500, that is 7, 5 to 600, this is 5, 600 to 700, 4, 700 to 800, frequency 3. Okay, we want to get mean deviation about mean. Okay, now xi means class midmark. 0 to 100, it will be 50. Then here 150. Then 250, 350, and 450, 550, 650, 750. Okay, so we can take assumed mean. So one of these from, around middle of the distribution we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means we can take either 450 or 350, right? We can take this as A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So either you can take 350 or 450. No issue. Then how to get UI? Xi minus A by H. Do you remember this? Step deviation. So here you can take 0. Then here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. I think I'm taking correctly. Yeah. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you take FI, UI. So Fi, Ui, these two columns, 4 into -4 minus 16, 8 into -3 minus 24, minus 18, minus 10, 0, 5, 8, 9. Okay. So sigma Fi Ui. Whenever you calculate this, you have some positive and some negative quantities. Okay, you add them like this. So here you are getting all the negative numbers. What is the sum here? Minus of 68, 16, 24, this is 40, and 40 plus 28. Correct. Now this is what? 5 plus 8, or you can take 9 plus 8, 17 plus 5. Okay. So now you are adding them. So the summation will be 68 minus 22. Just one moment.
46.
Minus 46. Okay. So we have to get mean first, because after mean we have two more columns. Okay. So mean, yeah. And before that we need sigma Fi. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7, 12, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 12, 40. So are we getting 50 here?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Okay, so now mean is, step deviation method we are using, A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi into H. So A is 450 we have taken, plus this minus 46 by 50 into 100. Class size is 100. So we are getting 450. Okay, then, okay, so minus 92. What will be the answer? 450 minus 92? Hmm. $358?
35.
8?
Yes.
Okay, so mean is 358. Okay, now we have to take xi minus x bar. Then fi into xi minus x bar. Okay, so here xi minus x bar, this is xi. 50 minus 358, 308. Okay, so then 150 minus 358.
1 minus
358.
Yes.
Okay, and here we are not taking any negative. Okay, absolute value. Okay, then next, 250 minus this 108. That's 8. 450 minus 358. 450 minus 358, 92. Okay, 550 minus this
192.
Just check it. You check my calculation. Okay. 192.
Yes.
Sure? Here it is 292. Let's check it. 650, 358. Then here it is. Do you observe any pattern here? Do you observe any pattern here? Whenever we are calculating, because we have the difference 100, no? So we are, I mean, I just wrote like that. So 550 is once I get 108, you see 100, 100, then 8. Then here you see difference. Okay, then 100, 100, 100. Okay, next FI into this. 4 into 308. 1232.
Yes.
Okay, 8 into 208. 1664.
Yes.
108 into 9.
972.
2. No, 108. Corresponding frequency 9. So 9 into 108, 972. Then you are getting 80 here. You are multiplying FI into X, this one. Then 92 into 7. Yeah, 92 into 7. Okay, 5 into 192. 960. Let's check it. Okay. Then 4 into 292.
86.
Okay. See, are you getting this or not? Okay. It's correct.
Yes.
Just a moment. Okay, take the summation then. So here it takes time actually. Fi xi minus x bar. Okay, so 4 digit. Let's check it. Are we getting this? 6866. Let's check it.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Okay, so then we can take mean deviation. So mean deviation about mean, that is sigma fi xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi. So we are getting here 6866 divided by 50. So what we can do, either you take divide by 50, it's fine. Otherwise you can multiply by 2, then take the decimal. That is easier because it will be 100. Okay, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, means you can write here 137.32. Or by dividing this, you check whether we are getting this 137.32. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the last question of this. Okay, now class interval and frequencies. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And frequency 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. Okay, we are getting median, right? First, cumulative frequency. So here 6, 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 50. So total number of observations is. Now here we have to, so n equal to 50. Okay, n by 2 is 25. So median will occur 25th observations. 25th observation will be in this class interval because this is 28. So from 15 to 28, you are getting 20 to 30. So this is the median class. Okay. Now median is m equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So this is equal to L is lower limit of median class. 2030 we are taking median class. It is because we have n equal to 50. Half of n is 25. So median occurs around 25th observation. So 25th observation will be occurring here only, right? Because after 14, next you are getting 28 here. So 20 to 30, that is the median class. Lower limit 20 plus n by 2, 25 minus Cf, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. That is 14. Divided by F, frequency of the median class, 20 to 30 median class is 14. Okay, this is a coincidence. Yeah. H, size of the median class is 10. Okay, so now here 20 plus 15 minus 14, like 11, 110 by 14. 110 by 14. Tell me by dividing.
It is coming.
7.20
plus 7.85.
Yeah, 7 point something. Yeah, 7.85.
Yes.
Okay, means you are getting 27.85. We'll keeping up to 2 places then. Okay, so now here xi minus, we need xi also. Okay, then xi minus m. Then we can get fi xi minus m. Okay, so xi 5, then 15, 25, 35, 1, 2, 3, 35, 45, 55. Okay, 5 minus 27.85. 22.85, then 12.8.
Put up to 0.8 only instead of 5.
Okay, and next third place is what?
It was something I didn't calculate. It will come around 7 or something.
So then 8.5 means 8.6. We can take 9. Okay. So no issue whether you are taking 8.5 or you may take only 8, no problem. So here the purpose is you know the calculation. Okay, so that you can do. So no issue. Basically, yeah, so you know how to calculate up to 2 places, 3 places that you can see. Okay, so now 12.8, then here 2.8, then here 35 minus this 27.8. So 37 minus 20, yeah, so now 7.2, see, 35, here 27.8. Okay, so you are taking 2 here. Now here 34 minus 27. Okay, so here you can get 7.2. Then here next 17.2 and 27.2. Just check, are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then take the sum. Okay, so sigma fi. Okay, I have to multiply this also. Xi minus m. Okay, sorry. Now we have to take fi. This is xi minus m, na? So we have the frequency here. Okay. Fi into this. Okay, 6 into this. This is 6. This column and this column. Okay. Oh. Just don't know that. 6 into 22.8.
It will come
Huh.
136.8.
Okay. Then 8 into 12.8.
102.4.
Okay. Then 14 into 2.8.
39.2.
39.
Yes.
I can trust you. I am not calculating.
Yes.
Yeah. So 16 into 7.2.
115.
115. 16 2 is 32. 3. 16 7 is 112. Yes. Okay. 4 into 7.2.
28.8.
68. No?
68. It is 4 into 17. Oh.
Yeah. 68.8.
Yes.
54.4.
Mm.
Okay. We want this summation. Xi minus m. So are you getting 516.8? Just check. Is it the answer?
Yes, 1 second.
516. Okay. Okay, pakka 516.8. Okay, so then mean deviation about median equal to sigma fi xi minus m, okay, divided by sigma fi. So we are getting here 516.8 divided by 50. Okay, so now like the previous case, we can do it to multiply by 2, then 100, then you can take it, otherwise you can divide directly. So see what you are getting.
One zero
336
10.3.
10.
हाँ मतलब 10.3.
No. You calculate. Are you getting like this? Divided by 100. If I take, this is like this. Okay. Are you getting like this? 516.8 multiplied by 2. Or if you are calculating directly, you can take that also, no issue.
हाँ मतलब मैंने एकदम डिवाइड कर दिया.
हाँ, so what you are getting?
10.3.
10.336.
हाँ मतलब मैं 3 तक ही करा बस.
Okay. No problem. 3, 4 approx. Okay. So your answer may differ a bit because we have reduced the number place value here, and up to which place we have taken one place. So a little bit difference. Basically here what I mean to convey you, not the calculation part. Calculation part anyway you can do it. So basically how to calculate mean if you are getting continuous series. Okay, and the next one is and the whole working area. So we have covered from each type of questions we have covered. Okay, how to calculate mean deviation. So maybe you can try the questions similar to these questions and whole exercise can be covered. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
So I'm just stopping the recording now.
Ma'am.
Just 1 minute.